Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to try to show you guys how to change the gear shift light bulb in a 2012 Toyota Highlander. It's right now, it's during the daytime, so you won't be able to see, but these actually light up and the bulb is out. So I'm going to try to show you guys how to change it. So the first step you need to do is open the glove compartment, and you're gonna need some kind of tool, trim pry tool like this, and you're gonna start off over here and you just pry it open. I have it already open for you already, and you just take it out, just pull it. Just be careful, you know, these tabs are in here, really tight, but just try to gently pry it out if you can, and just work your way from the top here all the way through the side. And once that comes out, go to this side and use a pry tool to take this out. So if your car has push button start, you don't have to actually take out the start button, it's in there already, so you don't have to disconnect a wire or anything like that. But you're gonna have a few wires disconnect. This is the USB and aux radio, cigarette lighter, and then the heated seats. So once you take that out, you're gonna have to disconnect those wires. And also, right now I have my car running, but you're gonna have to put this in neutral so you get enough clearance to take out the actual piece right here, so you can pull the center console. So what you need to do is open this cup holder lid, and there's a little area you can grab onto and just pull it straight up, and you should be able to take that up. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna try to do this now. And also, if it makes it easier, you can actually just take this shift knob and just turn it, and that's how you would take it out. All right guys, so once you take this out, just by pulling it up, there is a connector here that you gotta take out. Just unplug it from this switch, and you just remove the console right there, usually right there, and then now you have space on it. And then there's tabs here on the side. Just use a flathead screwdriver, and careful taking it out, and you're gonna have to remove that part as well. So I'm gonna do that. Give me one moment, I'll be right back. All right, once you remove those tabs I was referring to, like these tabs, this comes out. You're gonna have to shift, I guess, the shifter all the way to the bottom so you can remove this. The bulb is right there, and you can see here, you're just gonna have to turn it sideways to take it out. So I'm gonna try to do that. You know, I'm just trying to film and do that at the same time. I only have one pair of hands, so I'm gonna be right back. All right, so once you have the console out, you just have to take these tabs off of this one, and just they're just tabs, so you just gotta pull it out a little bit on 4 ends, and then you'll be able to take out the whole console. So that'll give you easier access, and now the bulb is exposed. So basically that's it. You gotta just change the bulb. There's a cover on the actual bulb, and you just gotta put your new one with that. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna replace it right now. So here's the part number for this bulb. It's very tiny. It's 90981-11040. You can see here the bulb's in here, and I'm gonna take it out and just replace it. Before I replace it though, I'm gonna have to test the lights, make sure it comes on. So I'll be right back. All right, so once you put in the bulb, I just installed the bulb and tested I don't know if you could see at night, but yeah, it's lighting up again. And you just really connect the connectors and put everything back the way it is, and that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.